Hey folks, John Devereaux down at Sayville Ford. Just want to let you know we have plenty of off-road vehicles, such as the Rocky Ridge that I'm standing in front of. Comes with a 6-inch lift, off-road tires, Fox shocks absorbers. It's good for anything that you have to do over the summer, like going on the beach, off-roading, whatever you got to do. We also have the Roush in stock. We have 2 Rocky Ridges and 3 Roushes in stock. Follow me over to the Roush. As you see here, guys, here's the 2 Roushes that we have. We also have another one in black. The Roushes are extremely nice, just like the Rocky Ridges. Got Roush badging all over, the iconic 5.0 V8 engine. Come down and see them as soon as you can.